Many people may think that artificial flowers at the wedding are not a good idea. Nothing could be more wrong. Do not limit yourself, just open up to new trends and convince yourself that tradition and modernity understand each other very well. See this video and subscribe this channel. Number 1. Artificial Wedding Bouquet. This bouquet is a true classic among bouquets, traditional roses and ribbon. A bouquet of flowers that will survive everything. Maybe even your marriage. Number 2. Bouquet of silk roses. Cream roses made of silk and rayon. Rayon is a modern material reminiscent of silk but fully eco-friendly and made of cellulose. Roses from rayon are delicate to the touch, silky smooth. A white cream-colored flower bouquet is a perfect wedding proposition. We can also choose bouquets in other colors. Number 3. Wedding Flower Bouquet. Wedding bouquet with the addition of purple. A coloristic accent will revive white and emphasize additions. Choosing the right wedding bouquet is a difficult task that should be entrusted to the most trusted bridesmaid. See the unique offer of wedding bouquets on Aliexpress and choose the best one. Then only the wedding. Number 4. Romantic Wedding Bouquet. Wedding bouquet in the romantic country style. A wedding bouquet in champagne color. It is a refined and extremely attractive color. See this romantic proposal and decide whether it will match your wedding dress. Do not hesitate to choose the right bouquet, and this one seems almost perfect. Number 5. Mini Wedding Bouquet. You can buy this small wedding bouquet in various colors, also pink or blue. Artificial flowers are a very good choice and you will be glad that you have decided on artificial wedding flowers. Throwing this small bouquet after the wedding ceremony is pure pleasure. Keep a bouquet full of memories and enjoy this special day, the most important in your whole life. If you want to buy this product, check link in the description box.